Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now, did you know that having a Samsung Galaxy Fold or a Samsung Galaxy Flip comes with benefits? We're talking about free YouTube Premium. We're also talking about virtual workouts for free. Now, if you've been in the airport and you notice how some people just walk right through and they go to this area where they get a fingerprint and they get their eye scanned, that's called Clear. That's free too. We're talking about $179 just for Clear alone. Let me show you how. Now, to take advantage of all these perks and understand everything that you get because you're a Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 or Flip owner, you have to download an app called Samsung Members. And you can see it right here. And you can find that in the Google Play Store. Now, once you open it up and install it, you're going to see all of the benefits that you have here in this small area. So you see where it says Benefits. You're going to see View More. And then once you go into it, this is where it gets really cool. Because notice, here you have Clear. And I'm going to tap on Clear. You're going to get 12 months free membership of Clear. That means you just go straight through. This is $179, right? Now, there's more. You'll notice that you have Evernote, right? 6 months of Evernote for free. $30 worth of movie tickets from Fandango, right? You look at PickGuard. You have Ink. Uber Eats, a $50 voucher. A $50 voucher for Uber. Access to LinkedIn. You also then have workouts, as you can see here. You basically have all these different options that you can choose from YouTube Premium for 4 months for free. So, having a Samsung Galaxy Fold or Samsung Galaxy Flip comes with benefits. Make sure you check these out and take advantage of all the free stuff that you may not even knew you had. See you in the next video.